Hi. Pag ano, balik-balik lang po ulit. Pa. Busy. Nag-enjoy eh. Well, gusto sana namin ulit yung time na to. Ulit, sabihin happy birthday. And then, yung sasabihin lang po. Gusto ko rin ulit na time para magpasalamat. Pagpapalaki sa amin ng maganda. Maayos, although makukulit kami, matigas ang ulo. Pero, maasahan mo naman na pinalaki mo kami maganda. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, lagi na tayo health, magandang health, safety, and then happiness. Happy birthday ulit pa. Love you. And then si Aya lang susunod. Okay, kasi muna kay
Ay, pa? Hindi mo alam pala kaya siya. Oo nga. Tama.
Diba? Para sa kanya talaga yun.
Happy birthday, ma. Thank you kasi nandiyan lang kayo lagi para sa amin ni Francis. Thank you dahil meron yung sabi nila na minsan ang hirap, ang hirap, sometimes meron yung issues ng yung sa in-laws. Pero thankful ako kasi masaya ako with you. Ang bait mo sa akin and super happy ako na masaya ako sa inyo, ma'am. Walang problem. And thank you especially sa support ko sa akin. Happy birthday, love you.
Nila.
Salamat.
Lakasan mo.
Ayun, thank you. Salamat.
Inasmuch as I don't want it to be too emotional or dramatic. I prefer the poem for you. Kasi you always support me with everything I want, and you have given us everything we wanted, and your presence is really enough, and your love is really enough. And together with Papa, of course. So yun. This poem is entitled Cycles of Colors. White. The day I first saw the bright light that signaled my every insights to finally outburst whatever emotions I had that day. Pain, happiness, fear, annoyance, irritation, excitement, or maybe unfairly joy. It brought me tears. That very moment you have granted us the gift of life, I can say that you are purer than white. Yellow. It was summer. The sunlight was too bright. Child either wanted to go and swim with her father and two other brothers. However, you notice how rapid her rashes became visible. And you held her and carried her the whole time. You gave peace and calm every bothered hearts of your children. And just like every cheerful tomorrows, it cheered better than yellows. Red, my favorite color cycle. Your children are like fireballs, melting and destructing every structure of their home. But those fireballs kept you warm. Their noise, their movements, their laughters kept you warm. Anger. We get angry, but when he started hugging you, kissing you, so void. You cooled down in a millisecond and it was happiness. You dearly blush as red as all the warmth and joy, and it was all because of love. And blue. Whenever the ocean turns into a blurry blue and the eyelids overflow with tears missing every ends of your lashes. It gets clearer when you let someone else wipes it for you. And everyone else, touched by your genuine heart, will never leave you in the deepness of the ocean. And the cycle blooms in various spectrums, reminding you that you will always be there. And that is the cycles of colors for me.
Na-request ko rin kasi yung mga friends ni Mama na magsalita.